The court has ruled in a David versus Goliath legal fight. We introduced you to this Cleveland woman in December after Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, took down her accounts. She was just one of dozens of people who reached out to the News 5 investigators for help.
This is the court ruling here in downtown Cleveland in the case of Hallie St. John, a.k.a. Hallie Bobally, the children's entertainer, versus Meta. I'm News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh. One of the big questions is, can Meta take down accounts based on false allegations?
I'm going up against the biggest social media giant in the world.
Hallie challenged Meta after it took her accounts offline, accusing her of child sexual exploitation. In the magistrate's ruling, he pointed out Meta admitted its mistake and restored her accounts, including her child entertainment business page, Hallie Bobally, more than 100 days after suspending it.
As a publisher, you have the responsibility to keep pages up that are not violating anything and take down pages that are violating something.
The magistrate wrote, and Meta's attorney argued, the company has publishing rights, and its terms and conditions state, our service is provided as is and can't guarantee it will work perfectly all the time. It's what all Meta users agree to when signing up.
I mean, anybody out there could have their page taken down at any given moment the exact same way I did, and there's nothing you can do.
During our reporting, the News 5 investigators heard
it was exactly what happened to me.
From so many people.
The accusations is horrendous.
In our area and around the world even, in the same situation as Hallie.
I was like, what?
In fact, more than 66,000 people have signed an online petition posted on the site People Over Platforms, and media reports pile up about the same issue.
We're pretty much asking for transparency, accountability, and meaningful ways for people to challenge these harmful corporate decisions.
In the end, Meta won against Hallie, who was asking for $3,500 in compensation from the company. We asked Meta multiple times for an interview. We never heard back. Hallie says she wasn't surprised by the ruling, but she doesn't view it as a loss, rather a win after she's spread the word on Meta's terms and conditions.
There's so many issues, and that's why I'm talking about it.
And helped people who've had no luck reaching Meta and getting answers.
Go and sue them. I hate to say that, but if you can't get an answer from a huge company and what you have to do is file a motion against them, if that's what it takes, go do that.
I'm News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh.
Word certainly did spread. Now, Jonathan and the rest of the News 5 investigators are always looking for story tips, too. If you have one you'd like to share, send an email to investigatortips@wews.com. You can also call 1-888-WEWS-TIP.